Y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chi, and if you are new here, this is my channel Authentically Chi, where I do videos on business, lifestyle, and faith. Our topic of interest is jealousy and how to spot jealous people. Let's get started. Jealousy is from a root of insecurity. So often when someone feels jealous of you because of their own insecurity, and just always remember, it has nothing to do with you. It all has everything to do with them. But it's important to always spot these type of people because they can be detrimental to your mental health and also your destiny. Today I have 6 signs and pieces of advice I want to share with you guys on how to know if people around you are jealous. The first sign of a jealous person is their demeanor around you. When they are around you, they may be standoffish. You may see them staring at you in an envious way. They may be very cold-shouldered and don't want anything to do with you. You will notice that the vibe is just off between you and that person or the group of people you are with. You can tell that they may be talking to one another, but they are devaluing what you're saying or they're ignoring what you're saying. And it's very important to look out for these type of people because these are people you don't want to be close friends with. What I would say, a piece of advice for this, if people are changing up when you come around, what you need to do is keep it cordial, keep it cool, but always take a note. Always go forward with caution. Don't tell them what is going on in your personal life. Keep that to yourself and those who truly want to support you. The next sign is silence and celebration. A jealous person will never celebrate you in happiness. I remember I had this instance of, there's this big life event and I told somebody that I trusted at the time. And I remember when I told them, they were like, oh wow. Blank face. That's another indicator that if you are telling them your accomplishments and your plans and whatnot and they have a blank face, their body expression doesn't match their response, that is an indicator of someone who is jealous. Another sign of a jealous person is that they will imitate you. This person is trying to steal your identity because they don't like that you are you. They like who you are, but not that that you have that personality, that you have that car, that house, that job, those friends. They don't like that you are confident in yourself, and they will imitate you to the T. And that imitation is toxic because sometimes I question myself. Oftentimes I do notice this type of imitation, but this type of imitation is attached to competitiveness. They're trying to compete to be a better you. How are we both trying to be a better me? You need to be a better you and I'll be a better me. Two different individuals, and that's something you need to look out for. If they're imitating you and copying your every move, and when you are around them, you feel like they are always trying to compete with you, that's a huge no, that's a huge indicator that person is jealous. Next sign of a jealous person is they give you backhanded compliments. They never give you a compliment that is positive. Be careful with these people because they like what they see on you, but they don't want you to know that they like it. They'll always give you backhanded compliments saying, oh, you did well, but you know, so-and-so did this and this, or yeah. Or they will compare you to someone else or put you up to somebody else. Next sign of a jealous person is that they will sabotage you. That it can be consciously and unconsciously. Sometimes a jealous person may do is they won't tell you upfront of how they're feeling, but their actions will tell for itself. So you may see pettiness, that they'll try to talk you out of your goals and your plans. They want you to be where they are at because they are jealous and they are insecure of where they are at. Oftentimes what jealous friends do is that they will create a ceiling for themselves and want you to stay on the same ceiling. That's when you need to bounce. I feel like that's where sabotage comes in. Sabotage is when they create a ceiling for themselves and want you to stay there. And then when you try to rise, they try to bring you back down. No. It's very, very important to look out for this because these type of people will stop you from fully walking in all who God has called you to be, and they'll stop you from your destiny. If you see that they are sabotaging you and they're slowing you down and they're hindering you, and you're seeing these little traits that are keeping you from moving forward, or they're trying to talk you out of your plans and whatnot, you need to separate yourself and get out of there. No one has time for negative energy. For people who want to stay in the same place. No one has time for that. If they want to stay on that ceiling by themselves, let them stay on that ceiling by themselves. But they shouldn't try to bring you down to where they are at. The next sign of a jealous person is that they are very needy and invasive. They oftentimes act like a leech. And I feel like this is very similar to sabotage, where it's like they're asking you for things and to do things because they know that it will take you off track, and also that it would deplete you, so you're not able to truly accomplish what you wanted to. Set firm boundaries so these people don't overstep. And if you see that they act some type of way with your no, then that's when you know you need to take yourself out of that relationship. Those are all the points and advice that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.